Prashanti and I'm delighted to be here. What a beautiful day it is. To talk about myself, I've been born to the parents of Mr. and Mrs. Ishwara on 16 November 1987. I have one sibling. I've been married since a year. To talk about my educational excellence, I've pursued my Masters in Business Administration from Srinivas Institute of Management Studies in Marketing Management as my specialization. To talk about my professional excellence, I've been a part of ICICI Group since 4 years and I've been a part of Vodafone Group since 2 years, from 2015 onwards. It's very pleasant to know that I've always been liking to explore new things, learn new opportunities, to know more about people around there, to know more about people who are there for social welfare. I've been a part of social service group as a coordinator at my collegiate level. We have organized a couple of events. I've been a part of Master of Ceremonies for a lot of events organized in the intercollegiate level. To talk about the positive energy that is there in terms of which I believe in, the mantra that I believe is be positive. I would like to quote a story. There were two friends called as Jai and Veeru. This was a story that was told by Sandeep Maheshwari. He tells there were two friends, who lived in a village, wherein one was 11-year-old and one was 6 years of age. Two friends were so close, once they went on a walk apart from the village, about 20 kilometers from the village. So they were just going on a walk and suddenly 11-year-old fell on the well and there was no water in it, it was just a dump yard. He just fell there and it was almost 20 feet. But the 6-year-old had no one, he had no one around him. He tried, screamed, shouted, he did everything. But there was no one to help him because it was apart from the village, almost very, very far from the village. So what he did is, that only one thing that came to his mind is, there was a rope next to him. You think he's 6-year-old and he's trying to save a 11-year-old kid. So you would just think, what would be his capacity or what would be his weight to pull a 11-year-old from 20 feet height. What has he done is, he's just gone, taken the rope, he has put it down, he's tried and he has let the 11-year-old come up. And they both hugged each other, they were so pleasant, they came to the village. They told the entire village, telling, I've saved this guy, I've saved my friend, I've saved him. So, and the friend who was survived told, yes, my friend who's 6-year-old has saved me. None of the villagers believed. They all told, no, this cannot happen, this is nearly impossible. How can this happen? This cannot happen at all. Then they finally went to a very aged person, very senior person of the village. They went to him. The villagers gathered, they went to him. They said, see, what is this? Are these children narrating a story with us? 6-year-old pulled up 11-year-old. This is nearly impossible. So, the senior person, he spoke to the 6-year and 11-year-old child. He spoke to them and he was really surprised. And he told the villagers, yes, this can happen. Yes, this can happen. Yes, why? He told the villagers, because of his only one attitude. Because there was no voice that came up telling you can't do it. It is only that came up to him, I have to save my friend. I have to save that 11-year-old person. This is what? That is his positive attitude that came. There is no negative vibes with him. There is no negativity. There are no people telling 6-year-old, you are very young, you cannot lift a 11-year-old person. That is what? I believe in self-attitude. I believe in positive attitude. That is the mantra. It is only we think, there are negative people around there are negativity around there. It is what we take. If you do good, if you be good, I would like to add upon, you will always receive good. I have been a part of Toastmasters Club also. My interest areas not only lies in terms of learning new things. I've been a part of Toastmasters Club, that was in the year 2014. So we have taken a couple of courses there. Plus I've always been a part of Master of Ceremonies in my intercollegiate level also. My hobbies even lies in playing basketball. I've been a player in my intercollegiate level. So intercollegiate basketball games I've taken part also. Now I've learned, I love learning new things on new recipes. I explore my kitchen in terms of new recipes. So thereby I'd like to conclude by telling thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to talk about myself.